In this tutorial, we are going to see how to build an installation setup for a customized AutoLISP script as we are installing other Windows tools, or an app we are downloading from the Autodesk App Store. We are going to use Inno setup. It is a freeware can be downloaded from the web, and then a sample Lisp script with a DCL file, and user interface to proceed with the command with parameters as user inputs. This sample tool does a simple operation of draw a line with given length and given angle. So we are going to prepare the setup file with a Lisp script and DCL file along with an XML file that holds the details about the setup and a README text file. The README file is an optional one. We have a reference from Autodesk Web also. You can refer if required. To create the setup with Inno, we need a configuration file. This configuration file have all the details about the setup name, required file list that needs to be copied during installation, the destination folder, etc. We have a good reference video in YouTube also. Here now, in this configuration file, I created 3 variables. 1 source folder name, which contain the list of files need to copy to the installation computer. 2 folder where the installation setup copied to. 3 folder name and installation computer like C program files, C application name, etc. Here we are going to copy the required files into C program data Autodesk application plugins application name bundle, so all users on that computer can use this plugin. After updating all values in the Inno configuration file, we need to save and compile. It will create a setup and build directory. Double-click the Setup file to proceed with the installation. Setup will show the default installation folder name. For auto-loading the Lisp file, we should not change this default value. After installation, the user can open the README file if required. And AutoCAD will prompt about the loading of a Lisp file according to your security settings. Refer to the Autodesk web related to security and trust locations for further information and warning settings. Opening a new drawing file to test the sample command now. A customized script is loaded and ready for client use. Now this installation can be uninstalled with the usual Windows method available in Apps and Features. We can set the icon on this apps list with the Inno configuration. We have more options with Inno. We can check the available sample files in the Inno sample folder. Thanks for watching.